How to find Duolingo promo codes. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can find a Duolingo promo code and redeem it. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Duolingo promo code 2024. As you do so, you will see a lot of various websites. Just tap on any one of them. For instance, I'm tapping open the 60% off duolingo.com. As you do so, you will see a lot of verified codes. To use them, just tap on any one of them. It will lead you to another site, and here all you have to do is copy the code. To do that, simply tap on copy. As you can see, this code has been copied to my device's clipboard. Now, if you would like to purchase Duolingo premium packages, then you can go ahead and drop the code that you just copied and redeem it. And this is how it works. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.